What's going on, YouTube? Came to do another quick monetization journey video. I went live this morning, not this morning, but the morning of this happened, and got a one-on-one call locked in. I also dropped my 100 content ideas that can be found at the link in the bio. And immediately when I dropped that, I had about 4 sales. So again, content. I cannot stress that enough. You guys need to be posting more content. And something as simple, I'm gonna screenshot and show you guys literally the video, okay? It was me doing a dance trend and putting text overlay on the screen. It does not have to be complicated when you're doing, trying to go about selling your product or service. You don't have to go out here and write a whole novel. The simplest content can get you sales. Now, I will say this. I have vetted myself for over 11 months with being a TikTok coach, meaning my community has saw me from my earliest stages of 100 followers to 70,000. So I will say that has a lot to do with it. Okay, I've vetted myself. I have positioned myself as the leader to grow accounts. I have grew over 400 accounts. So that is why I preach and harp on building a community first. Don't even worry about selling in the beginning. Worry about positioning yourself as a subject matter expert for your community. Connect with them. Get in the comments. I cannot tell you guys how many times I have done free one-on-one calls. I have allowed people to get access to my programs for free because I let the Lord guide me. If I'm talking to someone in a DM and they're telling me about a situation, and God tells me to let them in the camp for free, or whatever they do after I let them in it for free, or after we do a free, I give them notes on their profile for free or whatever, that's on them. But again, I'm telling you to build a community and allow your heart to move you when it comes to connecting with your community, okay? So I'll see you guys on the next video.